Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been a minute. Today I have a very interesting topic or tutorial for us all. We will be making a super booster deep conditioner with two key ingredients. Of course, there are other ingredients, but we have two key ingredients: avocado and aloe vera. If you are interested in growing a healthy, beautiful hair, then you're in the right place. Please click on the subscribe button. You can like and share. Also comment on this video, please. Okay, back to business. Now I'm gonna take you right into my kitchen so we can get started on making the super rich avocado and aloe vera deep conditioner. In the meantime, my name is Amen with MCKs. Let's go, please.
And then you'll die.
Look at all that healthy curls. This is what aloe vera and avocado did to my baby's hair. Now let's head over to the kitchen and get on with the tutorial. Look at my aloe vera leaf. I got a really big, healthy looking leaf. Did you know that aloe vera leaf has three main parts? The inner gel, which we're after, contains 99% of water. That's good. It's a good thing because the moisture game is on. Okay. And the remaining parts contains things like amino acids, glucose, lipid, vitamins, and more. That's why I do not throw away my aloe vera skin. I'm going to show you in a minute what I'm going to be doing with it. Now, the gel, which we are after, contains things like proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner. It leaves the hair smooth and shiny. I love shiny. It prevents itchy on the scalp, reduces dandruff, promotes growth. Wait a minute. Did you know that it also contains vitamins A, C, and E? Okay, and it also contains vitamin B12 and folic acid. Now, notice the way I just cut off the spiky ends before I went ahead to peel off the skin. Look, if your hair is looking dead, frizzy, dry, this will be your best friend. Aloe vera will definitely be your, that's the skin I was referring to. And I'm all done. But for some reason, I like to dice my aloe vera. I don't know. It kind of looks like ice cubes. I'm gonna throw this into a blender any moment from now. I just love to dice it. I don't know why. Maybe it would blend better, but that doesn't sound right. But I just love to dice it. If you like, you can dice your aloe vera also. Looks cool. All right, I'm all done. Just placing it in my bowl. Look at that. This is a lot because I'm going to be using this for two persons head, my first daughter and my second daughter. And they both have very long, voluminous hair. Be sure to take out the skin, the entirety of the skin. And I would totally advise that if you have never used aloe vera before, please do a patch test first. And that is my avocado. Oh my God, I want to eat this so bad. I love avocado is a great source of biotin, okay? Vitamin B complex loaded with minerals, okay, including potassium and magnesium, which helps to seal the cuticle cells and also help the hair look smooth and shiny. Remember, I love shiny. It prevents breakage. It also contains a lot of vitamins like vitamin E and fatty acid. Our body generally will not make all that fatty acid, so we need to help our body out. Okay, it does nourish the scalp, the hair follicles. It prevents dryness. It stimulates growth due to that vitamin, the presence of that vitamin E. Oh my God, and I will blend everything. So I went ahead and made put in avocado and a half, one and a half. That's not enough for two-person set. So I'm gonna be going in with a tablespoon of avocado oil just so I have enough because remember aloe vera has so much water in it, so I don't want the aloe vera to be too much. And then I'm going in with extra virgin olive oil. This is a great scalp moisturizer. It improves blood circulation to the scalp also, and just a tablespoon is enough for my recipe. And I'm going in one of my favorite all-time oils. Macadamia nut oil. It's also loaded with fatty acid, which helps to add shine and strength, and it nourishes the hair follicles. Also, it helps fight hair loss, dryness, all that good stuff. And then I'm going in with 5 drops of my essential oil. That was lemon, and now this is peppermint. 5 drops each, and this is tea tree. 5 drop each. Each of this essential oil will definitely be very useful on the scalp. And that's ginger. Remember, I said this is a hair growth max because we're gonna be put out. That's far as good oil. Okay, I'm gonna put the link to this oil in the description, and I'm gonna go in with almost a spoonful, like half. Blend it to a very smooth consistency. Make it very smooth because you don't want any residue in your hair. Super smooth. Look at that. Don't you just want to eat it? And I don't like to waste, so I'm gonna try to get everything out. Everything out. Everything out. Oh, it looks so yummy. It looks like can I just eat you? No, no. And I'm just looking at the consistency. I am so happy with this. I wanted it to be this way. I didn't want it to be thick because the model's hair, my daughter, her hair is kind of dry. She's had her hair out for over a week, so I needed all that moisture. Thank you, Aloevera. And this is me just playing with the consistency, and I will put it at my, like a partial patch test because I'm doing this on a kid's head, so I want to be sure it's safe. Plus, I don't want any residue in the hair. Okay. Some people might want to go in with a cheesecloth to strain it. That's fine. Now look at the other parts that I was referring to. I use it on the scalp to nourish that scalp. She's had her hair out for so long, and I scrape it, like use my finger to pinch it so that all that nutrients from the skin comes out and gets to the skin. Please disclaimer, okay? Some people are sensitive to aloe vera skin. Be careful. If you're sensitive, do not use the skin. Just chuck it away, throw it away. Look at how, can you see how dry her hair is? Can you see what I'm talking about? She's had her hair out, and this little girl thinks she's a hairstylist. She's just been dragging her hair and doing all sorts. Okay, so I went in here and I pre-pulled her hair with Tresemme conditioner. Pre-pulled and then shampooed and washed out, and now I am going in with my super rich aloe vera and avocado hair mask. I usually concentrate on the ends of the hair because it's the oldest and most fragile. So, and I'm very generous with my application. I take a generous amount. And as I apply to the section, I finger detangle. And because of the aloe vera is fresh, it has a lot of slip. I'll advise you, if you're using aloe vera, please use it all that day because you're gonna get more sleep if you're using it the same day that you got the gel out. I take my time to detangle, and that's me. I'm all done. That's one section rather. I'm all done with that section, and now I'm all done with all the sections. Hair is detangled and looking good. Can you see that? Just making sure the application is right. Okay, I need it to be saturated all over the hair. And I have all of it in chunky twist. I'm gonna be covering this up with a plastic cap. And I'm gonna show you something real quick. The weather was cold. I had to bring in my aloe vera plant inside. I have a plant. Yeah. I went ahead and added like 3 grocery bags also to her hair. Oh my god, look at all the curls. Look at what it did. Look at that. Look at that. And because it was getting late, I had to work in big sections. Finger detail, and that's my DIY aloe vera leave-in. I'm gonna be dropping a tutorial soon, and don't forget to turn on my notification bell, okay, so you can see that tutorial. Final result. Ta-da! Do you like it? I threaded the hair because, oh my god, I didn't have time to twist. Jumbo twist would have been like 2 days, and then everything will be all bad. But with the threading, it can last for a week or two. And that's how she's going to be wearing it important. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.